Hi, water park fans. Chip Cleary here for 1-800
Water Park, baby!
Today, we have the ultimate water park machine, the Mack-o-Matic 5400. It's wetter than wet, wilder than wild, and you will get soaked. Your mother said this is not good for you. This baby has it all. Water guns, water squirters, splashing, soaking, all kinds of fun. It's amazing. Now, if you call in the next 15 minutes, this baby can be yours for the low price of Rulantica. And if you call in the next 5 minutes, yes, the next 5 minutes, for our special listeners only, we'll throw in 100,000 liters of beer with this.
Wow, it's wet!
You'll have a party the neighbors and police will be talking about for 25 years. And now for all the boring legal stuff. Shipping and handling is not included, nor is concrete foundations, electrical hookups, plumbing, heating, water pipes, and some crazy stuff called Abwasser and Schmutzwasser.
Muck Rides, it's all about water!
Mention my name when you call and you will get a great seat at Rulantica. So call now!
1-800 Water Park!
Woo-hoo!